reviews, but he does reviews on yo-yos. Man, he's got moves like Jagger. You wouldn't believe the moves that he's got when he throws around his yo-yos. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. It is amazing. Grace Inspirations, thank you for showing up and joining the chat today. Man, this is awesome. This is the best it's ever been. In fact, starting today and continuing on, I will be doing live streams every morning on the TikTok because I am done with YouTube. YouTube is a piece of garbage where nobody ever shows up to say hello. Yo, what's up, Alamiet? Thank you so much for showing up. This is so cool. You guys make it worth it. If you guys drop a like, I will appreciate it even more. We have 3 likes already on this live stream, which is amazing. It's unheard of on other platforms. We've also got Anne Connolly. Anne Connolly is another amazing channel. If you guys want to see tricks, man, she's got the moves like Jagger too, and sometimes she'll even have 2 yo-yos. She'll do like tricks with 1 and 2 yo-yos in her hand. I've never seen anything quite that cool as done on the Anne Connolly channel. When we've got Quadcopter 101. Quadcopter 101 does reviews of all kinds of toys. He's a little bit like one of my favorites of all time, which was Flying Ryan. Flying Ryan, if you guys don't know Flying Ryan, he is amazing. Olivia, thanks for joining on the TikTok. Just another butt tender. Thank you for showing up on the live here on YouTube. On TikTok. I'm so used to doing videos, live streams on YouTube on the Marker Reviews channel that I get confused what I'm talking about. Anyway, Flying Ryan was my absolute favorite toy grade reviewer ever on YouTube, but unfortunately, he did not have a good time on YouTube, and eventually he quit, which is a really sad thing. So Flying Ryan, his videos are still up there though. If you guys want to check out some of these YouTube channels, Flying Ryan, his videos are still up there, which are fantastic to look at. Yo, what's up, Crypto Gatto? Thank you for showing up on the TikTok. The TikTok is ruling the world today. Let's see. We have Conflicts. Conflicts is an amazing channel about reviews too, and it reviews he reviews all kinds of stuff, even robots, how to assemble robots and all that cool stuff. He's got alpha robots galore. He's got all kinds of different robots. Roby the robot. I can't remember. All kinds of things. He's got a unicorn robot that he reviews. Man, he's got all kinds of robots. You're going to love that channel. Then, of course, we have the